Seven States Enterprise Company, Limited, the first geotextile manufacturer in Taiwan, the only one manufacturer in Taiwan that has passed NTPEP testing. About Seven States establishment established in October 1990 and focused on mesh fabrics. R&D in 1992, we developed geocomposite and geotextiles. Transformation in 1994. We transformed into Taiwan's first manufacturer of reinforced geogrids. Focus. We always focus on technological innovation and leading quality. Industry academic cooperation. We collaborated with 10 universities on the fundamental materials, applications, and performance of geotextiles. Certification testing. Our products and processes are certified by various international standards, including German TÜV, British BTTG, French BVQI, Asian ERA, American NTPEP, Korean FIDI, Taiwanese CNS, Swiss ISO, European CE, American ASTM, IEST, FUA, and the global GRI. Exclusive patent. We have exclusive patents for SBR eco-friendly coating material formulas and recirculating air design for drying ovens. Exhibition exchange. We actively participated in domestic and international geosynthetic exhibitions and are a member of the CGA Chinese Geosynthetics Association. Product. Our products including MSEW Reinforced Retaining Wall Geogrid, RECP Reinforced Erosion Control Blanket, Geocomposite, Geobag, Gabion bags, woven and non-woven drainage substrates, anti-corrosion anchors, flood prevention solid bags. Our factory and facility: Taoyuan Factory, Changhua Factory. 7 states worldwide. Why geotextile? Soil and water conservation, REST, green engineering, restoration engineering, soil erosion of the world 24 billion tons, year, coastal erosion and coastal regression of the world 25.7%, coastal erosion 1/2. Coastal regression, destruction of the world's forests from 1.11 billion hectares to 690 million hectares, loss of the world's forests 10 million hectares per year, economic losses caused by natural disasters $120 billion. Our products: MSEW Reinforced Retaining Wall Geogrid, RECP Reinforced Erosion Control Blanket, GEOCOMPOSITE Geobag, Gabion bag, bulk bag, geotextiles, woven non-WOVE and others, high pressure resistant drain, hemp fiber mat, honeycomb water stop panel. MSEW Reinforced Retaining Wall Geogrid Diversification Customization Geogrid Drainage Anti-Rust Anchor Nails, GEOBAG. The core features of MSEW Reinforced Retaining Wall Geogrid: Ta, long-term permissible design, tensile and pressure resistant, durable and against deformation, minimal construction loss, environmentally friendly and weather resistant, energy saving and carbon reduction. Tensile and pressure resistant, 100% high strength PET fiber, longitudinal ultimate tensile strength greater than or equal to 200 kilonewtons per meter, longitudinal tensile strength at 5% strain greater than or equal to 120 kilonewtons per meter, longitudinal ultimate elongation from 7 to 12%, reinforcement test, Japanese Shinkansen RRR construction method, Tomkong University reinforced bridge abutment, ASTM D6637 tensile test, reinforcement test. Durable against deformation, tensile strain resistance coefficient 1.55 better than 2.5, durability coefficient 1.15 better than 1.3, average molecular number 30,594 Mn better than 25,000 Mn, longitudinal total reduction coefficient 2 better than 9.75, Nantou National Kai Nan University, Nantou, Mingjian Township, Shokyan Temple, GRIG G8 number, average molecular weight test FOA NHI00043 transverse. Overall reduction coefficient test, FIDI hydrolysis test, chemical resistance test, weather resistance test, antimicrobial test. Minimal construction loss, tensile strain, simple construction, cutting, laying, and reinforcement, FIDI creep test, construction damage test. Environmentally friendly and weather-resistant, PVC-free, non-toxic, free of heavy metals, exclusive eco-friendly SBR coating formula, easy to dry, UV-resistant, acid and alkali-resistant, chemical resistant. Antimicrobial SBR eco-friendly formula Guanyin Biological Energy Waste Landfill FTIR Spectroscopy Test SGC Test Report. Energy saving and carbon reduction net zero carbon emissions MSEW is less than RC 43.3% project budget MSEW is less than RC 28% activity data multiply by GHG emission factor multiply by GWP global. Warming potential equal to Colorado 2E carbon dioxide equivalent production construction transportation use repair abandonment seldom use steel plastic aluminum concrete frequent use eco-friendly materials. Recycled materials, local materials, modularization, reduce distance energy consumption documents, reduce machinery energy consumption document, household waste optimization, design materials functionality. Recycling. MSEW, reinforced retaining wall geogrid specification test datasheet item inspection standards test data. Results main material of geogrid FTIR spectroscopic analysis 100% PET polyester coating. Material FTIR spectroscopic analysis eco-friendly materials like SBR, PU and acrylic etc. Warp ultimate tensile strength ASTM D6637 greater than or equal to 200 kilonewtons per meter warp tensile strength at 5% strain ASTM D6637 greater than or equal to 120 kilonewtons per meter warp ultimate. Elongation ASTM D6637 from 7% to 12% variability resistance and tensile variation depreciation factor FHWA standard 1.6 to 2.5 1.55 better than FHWA durable and weather resistance. Depreciation factor FHWA standard 1.15 to 1.3 1.15 better than FHWA construction damage depreciation factor FHWA standard 1.05 to 3.0 1.05 better than FHWA hydrolysis resistance factor FHWA standard less than 3018.6 better than FHWA average molecular quantity GRI G8 over than 2500 30594 better than or equal to GRI warp overall derogation factor FWA NHI 0043 standard less than 21.87 less than or equal to FHWA. RECP reinforced erosion control blanket mat diversification customization. The core features of RECP reinforced erosion control blanket water absorption ground adherence high coverage rate containment erosion resistance rainstorm protection vegetation. What's the unique features of RECP reinforced erosion control blanket material innovation design and methods innovation grass planting efficiency innovation thickness innovation. Material innovation before PP cotton blanket water absorption of PP cotton blanket is close to 0%. The cotton blanket will float influence the anti-erosion effect after water absorption ground. Adherence high coverage rate PP cotton blanket plus rayon natural organic fiber water absorption rate from 0% to 5% 1 gram of yarn contains 5 milliliters of water per square meter of yarn contains 1.45 liters of water Textile Research Institute US. IEST test coverage rate more than 95% cover management factor the C factor less than 0.05 soil erosion reduced 30 times National Pingtung University of Science and Technology NTPEP ASTM D7101 NTPEP ASTM D6459 slope rainfall erosion resistance test. Design and methods innovation the high density low-speed needle punching technique increase the density and entanglement of cotton layer fibers reinforcement grid that is coarser on the top and finer at the bottom mesh sizes ranging approximately from 1.0 centimeters to 2.5 centimeters root entanglement strengthen the turf's resistance to water and wind shear torrential rainwash at 6 meter per second safety limit flow rate 2.5 meter per second soil and water. Conservation technology standards erosion resistance effect increased by 2.4 times containment erosion resistance rainstorm protection NTPEP ASTM D6460 NTPEP ASTM D7207 channel water shear resistance test. Grass planting efficiency innovation moisture absorption transpiration rate reduced half National Kaohsiung University of Science and Technology on-site evapotranspiration experiment natural fiber. Degradation seed nutrients seed germination number doubled grass weight increased by double vegetation NEPEPASTM 7322 grass planting performance test Taoyuan's Nankon River Pingtung's Japing River Taoyuan's Dayan River Thickness innovation reduced volume double the shipping efficiency 40% savings on freight costs construction becomes simple cutting laying securing Table 1. RECP Reinforced Erosion Control Planting Mat General Properties Testing Functionality Testing ASTM D6525 Thickness 4.24 mm ASTM D792 Density 1.083 grams per cc ASTM D6475 Mass per unit Area 15.97 ounces /SQ.id 500 grams per square meter ASTM D6567 Light penetration 3% ASTM D6818 Tensile strength MD Machine direction 300 pounds in 3,600 pounds per foot 50x30 kilonewton per meter ASTM D6818 Tensile strength TD transverse direction 170.2 pounds in 2,042.4 pounds per foot 50x30 kilonewton per meter ASTM D6818 Elongation MD Machine direction 12.9% ASTM D6818 Elongation TD transverse direction 10.1% A rain splash test ASTM D7101 Erosion prevention slop protection runoff reduction C equals 0.03 B channel flow test ASTM D6460 channel erosion 6 meter per second is better THAB 2.5 meter per second ASTM D6567 ground cover rate 97% C shear stress test ASTM D7207 shear stress prevention SSR equals 132 N per square meter D germination test ASTM D7322 biomass improvement germination rate up 306%. Our geocomposite honeycomb grid frame diversification customization. The core features of GEOCOMPOSITE hardened tensile filtration drainage tough puncture resistance environmental corrosion resistance and durability strength resist erosion weather resistance. Flexibility breathable filtration barrier elongation rate drainage. What's the unique features of our geocomposite immersion innovation weaving technology equipment innovation thickness innovation material distribution innovation hardened tensile weaving technology thickness innovation before warp and weft tensile strength greater than or equal to from 26 kilonewtons per meter to 36 kilonewtons per meter widthwise breaking elongation from 40% to 100% thick in dimension yet eek in strength poor in resilience, prone to deformation. After warp and weft wide width tensile strength 40 kilonewtons per meter warp and weft 5% strain strength 15 kilonewtons per meter warp and weft elongation at break less than or equal to 15% thin in thickness. Yet high in strength. Strain at 5% stress greater than 60% of ultimate tensile strength erosion resistant ASTM D4595 tensile strength test wide width tensile test. Filtration and drainage weaving technology thickness innovation immersion innovation low AOS aperture diameter less than or equal to 0.2 millimeters high permeability more than or equal to 0.1 cubic centimeter per second SBR coating material innovation ASTM D4751 apparent open aperture test ASTM 4491 permeability test tough puncture resistance weaving technology material distribution innovation woven physical properties isolation non-woven weaving method enhanced 1 high needle low speed method improved toughness and durability 2 the ratio of thick and fine yarns improve the strength 3 increased fiber length and thickness improve crimp and tangle environmental corrosion resistance and durability weaving technology immersion innovation equipment innovation resistant coating formula long-term use 3G coating formula dries at low temperatures reducing pre-tension patented reflow oven design PVC free non-toxic free of heavy metals hydrolysis resistant weatherproof erosion resistant GEOCOMPOSITE specification test datasheet no item inspection standards test data results warp and weft tensile strength NTPEPASTMD 4595 45 kilonewtons m warp and weft direction elongation at break NTPEPASTM D4595 15% puncture residence NTP EPAS TMD 6241440 apparent opening size NTP EPAS TMD 4751 less than or equal to 0.2 mm permeability NTP EPAS TMD 4491 more than or equal to 0.4 per second. Geobag Geotextile bag Scabian bag bulk bag. Geotextiles woven non-woven woven non-woven. Others other products high pressure resistant drain hemp fiber mat honeycomb water stop panel. Technological innovation leading quality water conservation annual conference presentation directors visit to Care for Industry Innovation CGA Chinese Geosynthetics Technology Association. Technological innovation leading quality designers rest assured users assured the prime choice for customers. At your service 7 States Enterprise Company, Limited. International Sales and Marketing Department Linda Chen email 7s.7states@gmail.com at number 121, Lane 201, Sec.5, Minsu Road. Yangmei Dist. Taoyuan City 32646. Taiwan ROCHP www.7-states.com.tw telephone +886-3490-8466 extension 208 Skype Linda at 7 States.